Hey feds, I had a question come up in today's workshop, and it was, if you're keeping the health benefit insurance, do you need to do Part B? If you're keeping FEHB, do you need to do Medicare Part B? And the answer right now is no. Although that can change, because it does change. In fact, there's a bill right now in Congress to make it so that it will change, so that you have to do Part B with FEHB to keep it. Right? They do that with TRICARE, the military's version of FEHB. They do that. It's a requirement, but they don't do that with your federal health benefits. But they may, which is one example of why it's so important to make sure that you are constantly updated, because rules change and you don't want to be going down a path and then realize, oh, 20 years ago they made a change and I didn't know that and I wasn't ready for that. No, let's make sure we're ready, make sure we understand the rules, come to the workshops, and learn the rules. See you there.